Alright Samsung fans, I've got some exciting news for you today. The Samsung Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360 has been spotted on the Bluetooth SIG website, suggesting an imminent launch. Samsung is gearing up to drop their next-gen Galaxy laptops, and here's what I've found so far. So, on the Bluetooth SIG site, we've got 5 different variants of the Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360 listed. Here they are: NT960QHA, NT960QHZ, NT9610HA, NP960QHA, and NP964QHA. These might be for different markets or come with various spec configurations. Now, what does this Bluetooth SIG certification mean? Well, it guarantees that these laptops will work smoothly with Bluetooth specifications and other Bluetooth-enabled devices. But aside from that, the listing doesn't reveal much else. So let's dig a bit deeper. A few months back, there was an intriguing tip about the Galaxy Book 5 Pro from an ex-user at Momomo_us. According to them, the Galaxy Book 5 Pro with model number NT940XGK-DSD might come equipped with an octa-core Intel Lunar Lake CPU. This info came from the SI Software database, a reliable system diagnostic and benchmark tool. The Intel chip is expected to have a 1.60 GHz base clock speed and a 2.8 GHz top clock speed. For those who love the techie details, the performance cores are called Lion, and the efficiency cores are Skymont. Intel claims these Skymont cores show a huge improvement over the previous Crestmont E-core, especially in areas like decoding, execution, memory subsystems, and power efficiency. Performance will also be boosted by 5x 2.5 MB L2 cache and 2x 12 MB L3 cache. And for graphics, the Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360 might feature an Intel Arc iGPU with 7 GB VRAM, 512 shaders, 64 vector engines, a 1.85 GHz clock speed, 8 MB L2 cache, and OpenCL API support. So there you have it. The Samsung Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360 is shaping up to be an impressive piece of tech. Can't wait to see what else Samsung has in store for us. Stay tuned for more updates.